Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your videos with Vimeo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Vimeo account. Navigate to the video you want to protect. Click on the settings option for that video. In the settings menu, find the privacy section. Select the privacy level that suits your needs. You can choose to make your video private, password protected, or viewable only by certain individuals. If you select password protection, enter a secure password. Take note of the password as you will need it to share the video with others. Next, scroll down to the distribution section. Here, you can enable or disable embedding options. To prevent others from embedding your video elsewhere, set the embed setting to only on sites I choose. Add the specific domains where you'd like your video to be embedded. If you want to prevent downloads, find the download settings and ensure they are disabled. Review your settings to confirm everything is configured to your liking. Once satisfied, click the Save button to apply your changes. Your video is now protected according to your specified preferences. Feel free to share your video link with the necessary audience. Remember to keep your password and embed settings updated as needed. Your video is secure and ready for sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.